What's up guys, Alberto Big Boost here. Today we're going to the track. We're actually at the track. This event is like mega pack. It's a sport compact challenge at Orlando Speed World, and the parking is full all the way to the oval speed track over there. And there are also a bunch of cars getting stuck in the mud, which is actually kind of funny. But we came in the tight end today, so I got the 4x4 action. So it was actually pretty fun going up and down in the mud and finding a spot in this giant parking lot full of cars. The stands are all full over there. People having fun with bikes. People walking around with coolers and stuff. I don't know if you can bring them in. And here we are. Lots of rotary drag cars everywhere. And 2JCs, of course. Here's one of the fastest cars out here. Now here we're talking RX7. I love this thing. Another RX7. This is almost like what I want to do with my RX7. So we got the big turbo. In my case, it'll be a Garrett turbo, of course. I've been thinking about getting one of these intake manifolds that's like the 4-barrel stack with the dual fuel rail. That way you can put 8 or 10 injectors and then the downpipe running out the side like this. Here's that super fast green Evo that I saw at FL2K. That's super fast. This thing launches like a slingshot. It wasn't just me, but something definitely flew out of that car. I wonder what it was. I thought they were gonna prep the track and clean up, but here's it. Nope, here it is. I thought we're gonna just send the other cars without cleaning the track. I think we're gonna have a small break until they clean out the whole track, because the car went down the whole lane all the way to the quarter mile. That really fast green Evo I was talking about earlier is about to run now. This thing makes the craziest launch. That car is just like a rabbit, literally just like phew. Wow, the stands are completely packed now because the extreme class is up. Let's go see the super giant turbo cars.
Vamos ya cerca de 5 segundos. En la casa por el carril izquierdo viene cuánto se siente orgulloso de ser boricua. Vamos allá, el ensayo por el derecho. Ya me invito, le meten al ensayo, papá.
So we're just gonna get out of here. It was a lot of fun, another really cool event. I learned another thing about rotaries that I didn't know today. and then we're gonna apply that on the RX7. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys later.